Alright, we got oil pressure. That's a good thing.
Moment of truth.
Are you recording?
Are you recording right now? This is the moment of truth. If this doesn't start, I get the laughing switch for the rest of the year.
Got oil pressure. Alright, what's the odds?
Ancello.
Anybody putting up odds? What's the odds on this one? What? My net side.
It's gonna backfire. And then I go for backfiring.
That's a good thing. Alright, we ready? Like this.
I give it 4 seconds before it starts.
1 second.
4 seconds before it
No, it's not the motor that's the problem. It doesn't sound that good. It's not the motor. One of the sensors is actually
yeah.